Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Persia in Taunton, and I'm going to show around this partner van. This is our current demonstrator. It's ply lined in the back. You get a near side sliding door. In the front there's 3 seats. The touchscreen features sat-nav as well as DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this you get air conditioning, automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. Has the 1.6 litre Blue HDI engine. It's currently done under 1,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Persia in Taunton. Thank you.